always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what everyone's doing. I see 2 friends playing together. 1, 2. 2 friends. Let's count together.
1, 2.
2 friends. 2 is a number. Say 2.
2.
That's exactly right. Let's make 2 our number of the day.
Let's count together.
2.
There are 2 apples. 1, 2. Now count them with me.
1, 2.
How many apples in all?
2.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time.
Let's count together. 2. There are 2 Wigglebugs. 1, 2. How many Wigglebugs in all? 2. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you? Let's count sea stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sea stars. Now let's count shells together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it. Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the rocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rocks are there in all? 6. You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the grains of sand on the beach. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Sizing Things Up. This book is about big things and small things. Let's read it. Let's begin. Sizing Things Up. Written by Aparna Kapoor, illustrated by Debjyoti Saha. The world is full of creatures and things. Some are big, some are small, most are somewhere in the middle. These are some of the biggest things we know. These are some of the smallest things we know. Some things look big because they're surrounded by smaller things. The same things may look small when they're surrounded by bigger things. What looks big from close by may look small from far away. Big things make bigger things. Bigger things make huge ones. Huge things make ginormous ones. Ginormous things make super-duper mega-jumbo ones. Small things are made of smaller ones. Smaller things are made of tiny ones, which are made of eeny-teeny-weeny things. But even the eeny-teeny-weeny can make a super-duper mega-jumbo difference in this big, small world. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing The More We Get Together. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Now let's all sing together. You too. Ready? Okay, everybody. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. That was wonderful.
Mr. Frog?
Yes, Hedgehog?
I'm happy when we get together and sing songs.
Me too, Hedgehog. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Mr. Frog!
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Snowflakes. S, s, snowflakes. Sun. S, s, sun. Sock. S, s, sock.
P.U.
Snake. S, s, snake. Strawberries. S, s, strawberries.
What letter do all these words start with?
S.
That's right, the letter S. Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter S. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
I have an idea. Let's dig letters in the sand with a shovel.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Monkey, you go first.
All right. S. Ooh.
Great.
I'll try next. S.
Terrific tracing. Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll try it. S.
Nice job.
I'll trace the next one. S.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
S.
Exactly. Uppercase S. And what's this letter?
S.
That's right. Lowercase s. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! S. Peekaboo, I see you! Peekaboo! I see you! Peekaboo! 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 Now, where did you go? Oh, there you are! I'm glad we saw each other today. See you!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Old King Cole was a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. He called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. Every fiddler he had a fiddle, and a very fine fiddle had he. Oh, there's none so rare as can compare with King Cole and his fiddlers three. Every fiddler he had a fiddle, and a very fine fiddle had he. Oh, there's none so rare as can compare with King Cole and his fiddlers three.